Hi guys, my name is Rayyan Biram. I am 21 years old and I am coming from East London, specifically Newham. So the reason why I've joined IT Career Switch, which is about a year and 2 months ago, I didn't really like the curriculum when I was in uni. I completed the foundation year. I was studying computer science, and going into first year, so I was on the internet trying to look for alternative courses. I found IT Career Switches. I really like their guarantee to get a job within 15 weeks after completing the course. So I phoned them up and I got enrolled onto the course straight away. So after finishing all my studies and passing the A+ exam, IT Career Switch enrolled me into the recruitment side of things, and it took me around 5 weeks to find my job. I am now currently an IT engineer at Workshop IT. We have around, let's say, 30 to 40 clients, and I'm mainly remotely working. So in my day-to-day job, I do first, second and third line support. If there's any emergencies, I have to come onto the client's site and assist them as needed, and just doing basic tickets, let's say password requests, or network goes down, try and troubleshoot it, 365 administration, server administrations, new setups, levers. Other than that, let's get into the day-to-day life of my job. Hi guys, so I'm currently at a site visit. There has been a ticket trail going on for a few weeks now, and I've been scheduled to come in today to finally set up this meeting room, which they've ordered parts from, and I've just put everything together. So I've set up this desk with pens, markers for their whiteboards. There's an extension wire to put in plugs to charge their laptops, a USB for the USB camera over there, and a HDMI for the TV. And the microphone will be coming later on today, so I'll be setting that up too. So it is now 12:30. I've just finished up with a Wi-Fi issue. I was liaising with my team on the remote end, and they were telling me how the actual server is set up and how to actually troubleshoot it, since I am a junior engineer and I'm not really that competent within the networking, since I'm still training for my Network Plus. But I've managed to find the correct cables, rewire them, and check through CMD all of the I've been pinging them through CMD and seeing if the correct default gateway, subnet masks are all showing up. So guys, it is 1:35. I've just finished setting up these two laptops, and for two of the new starters that are starting today. I've mapped all the network drives, did GP update, and also given them file access. So yeah, I've just finished building this PC. I'm now going to hook it up and re-image it from this USB of Clonezilla and the hard drive, which I've copied from this PC. So we're just duplicating everything from this PC into this PC and get it ready for RDP. So it is now 2 p.m. I've just finished up setting up these two RDPs, which will be used for the architectural design team at our client site. So what this means is that these are beefy PCs with very good components which can run high-end programs, and I set this up by cloning it from this PC. So I cloned this PC to both of these PCs, and that took most of the morning. So I've just finished off repairing this PC. There seemed to be a CPU issue, so I replaced the CPU, and there was a problem with the bootloader as well, so I changed it, got it to boot, and now it's all working. So it is currently 3:33. I've been working from home all day. I've just been doing the ticket queue, making sure everything's okay, helping out clients. And this is the program we use, which is ISL. We send this remote link to the user, which they can connect, and then we can remote into their machine and help them. And whilst I'm not doing this, I'm focusing on my Network Plus, my revision. trying to pass the exam and get straight onto Security Plus and just keep going and going until I progress into cybersecurity.